To sign up for your Quizlet, you just need to go to quizlet.com and then you can click the sign up button or sign up with Google and fill in the fields necessary to do that. Once you're all set, you should be able to log in to a page that looks something like this. You can click join or create class, and here you'll search for my class, which is Mrs. Grecni. And you'll see it pop up cells, and you can hit join class. In this set you'll see the word set that I've already made, and this will help you study for your cells and energy quiz that you'll have coming up. You can see you have your words on the left and the definitions on the right here. Once you're in here, there are various different activities that you can engage in that to help you study. You'll have your flashcards here, and they show you the front, the word, and then you can click on it to flip, and the definition, and you can work through these as you go. There's all the different words that we've encountered in our studies. You can mark these so that you can study these ones separately.
Carbohydrate.
And if you click on the word, it also says it for you out loud, and will read the definition for you. Another thing you can do, if we go back to the cards here, what we want to do, learn. It will give you the definition, and you can type in your answer. If you're not sure, you can hit give up, and it will tell you the answer, and it'll ask you to copy the correct answer, which you can do. And then it'll ask you for another question. You can also do an activity called Speller, where you type what you hear.
Osmosis.
So you hear osmosis, you would type osmosis.
Active transport. And
so on and so forth. And it gives you the definitions over here. You can test yourself, and it gives you a variety of different types of test questions where you would fill in from memory the words that match the definition. You can do matching in this section, and then there's multiple choice as well, and true and false. And you can check your answers when you're done. You can also play a game called Scatter. Start game. Where you match up the definitions of the words and the vocabulary words together. So let's look at one. Small openings in the undersides of leaves that allow carbon dioxide to enter. That'd be the stomata, and it'll disappear. And you're timed, and you can check on your other classmates' times as well, as long as they're registered in my class. And then there's race here, and you'll see definitions scroll across here, and you would type in your answer in this bar before it disappeared, and we'll let it disappear to see what happens. So we missed that one, and it'll stop. It'll show you the correct answer here, and then you would just type it here. And then it'll continue the game and give you a score. If you wanted to use this for another class, you can always create your own sets by hitting Create Own Set. And let's say that you have an English test coming up over literary terms. You can name the set Literary Terms. You can give it a description if you choose. And then you could type in your word and here, and your definition here. And notice you can even do this for Spanish because you can change the language. It'll ask you to select a language. Notice here we have chemistry and Chinese, math. So if you're doing literary terms, you would probably want to select English. Once you have your terms all set, you can hit save. You can share these with people so you can make them visible to others or just certain classes or yourself. And you can let other people edit them, so you can group share these if you're studying for a test. Why not help one another out? I think that's all that you would need to know for now for Quizlet. Make sure you log in and use your account and start with the set that I've created here for you.